Mauricio. They go to Zumar sa poste. They locate Lassiter. Takes the 3. Goes to Ross. Mabilis na pasa papunta kay Adams. And that will force another timeout very quickly this time on the side of the NLEX Road Warriors sa inyong kanilang 5 puntos na kalamangan. And napuro na po ng buluyan ng San Miguel Beer. Shot from the outside, then from the inside, it's Jordan Adams. Ganda na pinasa sa kanilang teammate na si Chris Ross. Ang gandang finish. Pero sa ganit full mark na pwedeng threat dun sa may bandang ilalim. And now this time out is brought to you by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA SMB Beach by 2.
This program is brought to you by PLDT.